Hi. In this video we will learn what is the role of user administrators in the global directory. Okay, let's get started. Main responsibilities of user administrators. Your role of user administrator is to create and manage experts for your national standard body, as well as national committees and national organizations. When you create a new person, organization or committee, these entities are then administrated by your organization. For example, Robert is administrated by the organization member. This organization is therefore responsible to manage Robert details and account in the global directory. As user administrator, your role is also to allocate and manage roles for experts for your national standard body. You can assign roles to experts that are not administrated by your organization. We say that the role is appointed by an organization. For example, Clint is administrated by the organization AOS. But he is appointed to the role of voter and ballot monitor by the organization member. So what is the difference between administrated by and appointed by? Administrated by corresponds to the organization that has registered the entry in the global directory. For example, Robert's profile has been created by the organization member. He is therefore administrated by this organization. Appointed by indicates the organization that has nominated the expert or organization to a role. A person can be appointed to a role in a committee by any organization. Clint is administrated by the organization AOS, but he is appointed to the role of voter by the organization member. What information can user administrators view in the global directory? All data in the global directory can be viewed by all user administrators, except for personal information, for example phone number or address, of experts, not administrated by your national standard body. National committees not administrated by your national standard body. And national organizations not administrated by your national standard body. What can user administrators do in the global directory? User administrators can create, update and inactivate experts for their national standard body, national organizations and national committees. User administrators can also assign and remove non-official roles to experts, national roles to experts and mapping of ISO and CEN committees to national committees. What user administrators cannot do in the global directory? User administrators cannot create, update or inactivate ISO and CEN committees and international organizations. They cannot update information on their national standard body or data of experts and organizations that are not administrated by their national standard body. And they cannot assign or remove official roles to experts to or from a closed group and participation of their national standard body to ISO or CEN technical committees. All of these are managed by ISO/CS. If you want to add, edit or remove those entities you must contact tcsupport@iso.org. What is a closed group? It is a committee that can only be updated by ISO/CS. Example of closed group are CASCO or DEVCO committees. All roles of closed groups are managed by ISO/CS. If you try to add an expert to a closed group, you will receive an error message. What roles can you manage as user administrator? As user administrator you can maintain the following ISO roles: Secretary Support Team, only if your organization has the Secretariat of the committee. Convener Support Team. Committee Member, Document Monitor, all ballot roles, Translator and Technical Manager. However, remember that if a committee is flagged as closed group, only ISO/CS can update those roles. The roles maintained by ISO/CS are Secretary and Twin Secretary, Chairman and Twin Chairman, Convener and Twin Convener, Project Leader, Project Submitter and Liaison Representative. If you want to add, edit or remove those roles for a person, you must contact tcsupport@iso.org. If you are unsure of the role definitions and associated permission settings, please view Annex 1, page 66 to 75, of the GD3 Full Guide for User Administrator. Now that you know what to do in the global directory, why don't you check the how-to videos? Thanks for watching.